Ano bang mata ni Andrew? Nagsasalamin na ba ito? Hindi ba?
Hindi pa ano lang. Kumbaga kagaya ng mga akin napasulpot-sulpot.
Sa bata pa malabo na mata. What's your plans for today, brother? Any activities? Mukbang potato fries. Mukbangers, brother Greco. I already done my activities today. My friend, do my request challenge for you.
Tagalog mo pa mo siya.
Do my request challenge for you. Ano ba challenge ulit nila-request ni Andrew?
Ikaw.
What challenge are you requesting again, Mr. Andrew? Brother Andrew? Ito pala maganda. My friend, hindi, may friend pala tawag ko dito. My friend Andrew. What's the best fried potato chip to try from your country? Ba? Oishi. Oishi. Always Oishi.
Iyanak ko.
Just like in other cheese curls. Always Oishi. Oishi. Request the ikaw challenge. And the suspect challenge. Okay, recall. Pag.
Di kita niya sa katawan mo na. Lamga mo abot mo yung mga. Pagpagin.
Basta.
Have a blessed day daw.
Have a blessed day too.
Oh, okay na.
Have a blessed day, brother. Have a blessed day also, brother Greco. Take care of yourself. To watch me again in my live. Your husband has a mole. My husband? Are you sure what you're saying?
Di ba kumihaw kanina?
Ah. Saan ba mole ko? Wala naman. Nakakaibang mole na pala sinasabi.
No, di ba ginano ko sa kanina? Hindi mo, bilis lang. Si Andrew pa rin nagsabi nun.
No. I saw him picking his nose. You want to see more moles? Brother, my friendly Andrew.
Nakaipit, nakita mo.
Bo, I have more moles that I can show to you.